Alright guys, I have a trick to turn on your daylight running lights without the ambient light sensor doing its thing, figuring out if it's bright enough out or not. As you can see, I got one burned out on the driver's side. I think I replaced that side last year before winter, and it's right before winter again, and that one decides to blow out. So I have some LEDs I'm going to put in it, and I had to have the sockets light up so I could figure out which way those bulbs need to go. And what I did is on the cover, daylight running lights, found that relay, pulled it out, and put in a jumper to the left two pins. That would be 87 and 86 on the relay. Jump those two, and no matter what, the daylight running lights will come on. So I honestly haven't found any videos on YouTube to show you how to do that. No one's, I guess, knows. I don't know. But it's not very sunny out, so my headlights are automatically on, and the daylight running lights do not come on at all. And I had no other choice but to try to figure out a way to trip it to turn the lights on without that sensor. So alright, this will be the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.